how to create photo slideshows on your TikTok. Now, before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now, let's begin. First, open up your TikTok, and after you open your TikTok, you need to go to the plus icon right there, and after you do that, just click on upload, and then just tap on the photos that you want to select. Tap on the photos, click on done, and then it will get added right here. Just select the photos. Just gonna select these 3 photos and click on next. After you click on next again, and then just type in whatever you want, cats, and just post it, and then you'll be able to just create and post your photo slides on your TikTok. Now this will take some time to upload, so I'll show you guys how it looks after it gets uploaded completely, so you get the basic gist of how you can create photo slides on TikTok. Now as you can see, the post has been posted right here. The slides are created and posted. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.